Landscape mode not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to make sure that your landscape mode is working, just go into the control center by swiping down and then you can see the option of lock orientation. So you can see it is enabled right now. Now when you disable this option, then you can see the landscape mode is activated and it will work. Now if this doesn't work, then you can tap on the power button and you can tap to reboot. So when you restart the device, there also becomes a chance of solving the issue of landscape mode being activated. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.